carbon fiber. I just received a very exciting parcel, so let's open this up. Carbon fiber. I'm in love. I'm in freaking love. Guess where this is going? I've taken the hood scoop off because I'm going to be securing it properly this time, as it doesn't really sit. So this time I'm going to be using sealant to hold it down, and then water shouldn't get in around it every time I wash my car. Right, got the sealant on the back of the hood scoop, so let's stick it back on. Right, the airbox broke here, so I need to make a bracket from this hole to here to hold it on the other side, because right now it's just being held on one side, and then it shouldn't be sitting on anything, and it should just be pretty stable. I'm going to use this piece of aluminium I've got spare to make the bracket. I'm going to put a bolt in that corner, and then with a nut behind so that it holds, all stands and holds. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Right, that's this side. So I need to add another nut on here so that when I tighten it in there, it will actually stop at a point and just hold. Right, that's it. Now I just need to connect this side and then that's done. Now this side's all secure, both the airbox side and the engine side. I actually ended up using two nuts so that I could keep the nut in one place as it went down. Now just put this side back together and then that's done. To get the right size when cutting out on the bonnet or bumper, I made this little card cutout, so I'm going to mark around this, and then hopefully it should just slide into place. Now the cutting area is all marked up, it's time to cut it out. Pilot holes for the drill bit, make sure I don't damage any paint that I don't want to. Right, that's now very messily cut out. And behind here, it's this like little tract. It's like it was made to do this. So I'm gassed about that. And I just removed this piece as well because that was in the way. Also removed that piece of plastic that side as well, which is also in the way. Now I've marked out where the air duct will actually go through. Now I need to drill that out. And behind here we now have a frame, and I need to just cut a bit of that out, and then I can feed the ducting through. Now I've marked out the area that I need to cut out, so let's get to cutting. Now I'm going to secure the intake in place. To secure, I used black screws so that they were nice and stealthy, and yeah, now it's in place. So now I just need to complete the routing on the engine bay side. Right, that is now the slot for the intake done. So now the last thing to do is put the bumper on, slide the silicone hose in, and then route the pipe in. Alright, that's the bumper back on, and as you can see, it goes straight through. So now I just need to fit the piping and then direct it to the filter. This isn't quite fitting in the gap as well as I'd hoped. This is slightly too big and too long, so I'm going to chop this, and then hopefully I can squeeze it in somehow. Inside the hole I've now fed the ram air piping through. Now you can see this end's in pretty much the right place, and I just need to put the airbox back on and line this all up, and then that should be it. Airbox is back on, and now it's time to put the bumper back on and then take this for a test drive. So as we can see, we now have the air feed in all its glory. A bit rough, but it does the job. So the question really is, am I very invested in my intakes? And the answer is yes, but the proof is in the numbers. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully soon I'll get that sorted out.